If you can play something slowly, you can play it quickly.
Wow.
Interesting.
Unbelievable.
And I love the box. Show the box.
Oh my god! You made this? Oh my god! The whole thing is beautiful. We will support your Kickstarter. Oh my god, thank you.
You draw notes, and then the goal of the game is to form chords.
That's great, fantastic.
Yeah. So fantastic. Unbelievable, wonderful.
Yes, hello. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Keith. And I'm Junyu.
And we're just three musically inclined, engineering trained, game addicted guys from the sunny island of Singapore. And we're the creators of Lord of the Chords. I used to hate music theory when I was learning it as a teen. One time, I even remember falling asleep in a one-to-one music theory lesson.
Me too.
A few years later, I picked up a little bit of jazz from my very geeky and punny teacher, Mr. Bay. He helped me to see that music was a lot like a game, musical ping pong. If you knew the rules, you could play the game. Everything suddenly clicked for me. When I shared this new perspective with Junyu, it clicked for him too. That's how, when, and why we came up with the idea to create a music theory card game. We've been working on Lord of the Chords for 3 years now, and we've come a long way since it all began. We work 40 hours a day, every day, to make all of this a reality. Talking to manufacturers, designing cards, and learning from other Kickstarter creators so that Lord of the Chords can truly be the geekiest, punniest, most secretly educational music theory card game in the world. We've got 3 super fun reward tiers for you, and just for fun, at $433,000 in pledges, the 3 of us will get a Lord of the Chords tattoo. So please, back us today! Oh yeah!
Lord of the Chords, the geekiest, punniest, most secretly educational music theory card game.
Ha!
Oh, that's all of my moves.
That's minor.
You can't do that. I know. New key. Chord block.
Ooh.
Ooh. Turn down for what?
Turn down for what? We got played like a darn fiddle.
Bravo. Well played.
Pre-order now and be among the first to play Lord of the Chords with your friends.
That's great, fantastic. That's great, fantastic.
Beautiful. We will support your Kickstarter. Oh my god, thank you.